Have you heard of any emir, any Muslim clerics, any imam that have come out to condemn this buying of innocent Nigerians in Benue? No. But when about 11 so-called Boko Haram hunters were killed in Edo State, Uromi, all hell was let loose. And you tell me it is normal? No, we know all what is happening. This is a jihad, an ethnic cleansing. It could join or in conjunction with the government of the day to unalive the life of innocent citizens of Nigeria. So Nigerians, wake up. The government cannot help you. The police force cannot help you. The soldiers cannot help you. Nobody will help you if you don't help yourself. So Nigerians, tali takum and protect yourself.